Hey there, my name's GRILLS, and this is my cub. This is my colleague, Cub Roast. And we just got shipwrecked on this island, completely uninhabited, no living people whatsoever. I think it might be completely undiscovered. Now this raft I made using my own back hair and pieces of driftwood we found floating in the sea. Because you see, the helicopter dropped us off in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. But Cub here bought an inflatable dolphin. Almost made it. Almost. Here I am, me, Cub Roast. Now I made it to this island. Come on, let's go find Bear. Now, you'll be following our progress around the island as we travel around this completely uninhabited and deserted island.
After our journey, we're rather hungry. So what I've done, dug a hole, put some rocks around, make it nice, and I'm gonna make a fire. Not just any fire, a good one. Bear, you got the matches? Matches. Alright, so we have no food, no matches, nothing. So I'm gonna do the old, thanks. We're going to do the old, camera not on me, we've got the old-fashioned way of making it by rubbing sticks together. I'll show you when you come back how we did it. Well, I've done some foraging on the beach and we found some delicious jellyfish and we're just going to cook them. Oh, thanks. And we're just going to cook it on the fire now. Piece of pie, once it's done, we're just going to eat it, and that'll be us sorted for the night, you know, because like there's no other food. Yeah.
Jane, where's one of these biscuits?
There's no food or water, so our next job is probably going to distill some water, and that'll be good, won't it?
Oh, Cub.
Yeah.
Draw some Jane's made some really nice biscuits.
Oh, day 23. No. See, this is how disorientated I am now. I think
day three. It's day three.
Day 3, yes, day 3. I am making my way up this monstrous hill. I am so tired. I don't know what's come over me. And I think we're on our way to the highest point. We've named it Knocker Barn.
Don't get the windmill in the shot.
Don't worry, I won't.
Okay, so.
Oh, maybe you should stick to camera.
Yeah.
Whoa, okay. Highest point. Yeah, that's it.
Camera on me.
Oi, Jane, get out of the way.
Come on, Jane.
Seriously. All right, tell us, Rabbit Stew.
Yes, my name is Rabbit Stew. I apologise for not mentioning that, but we are on our way in search of food because we are very hungry. Our jellyfish stew wasn't the most delicious last night, and after sleeping in the hotel, on the beach, we have got very bad backs. So we'll see you in a jiff.
Okay, we've just seen some cows in the other field and we're going to try and catch some to make some beef.
Yeah, burger.
Alright, now this is going to be quite hard, so keep up this.
Hang on, wait, I need to close this gate. You know, the countryside roll.
Come on, Jane.
Thank you.
Right, we're going for it, come on. Anymore. I can't go on. We can't go on at all. Come on, Burger. Yeah, I think they're escaping. I think they're escaping.
Seriously. It could turn vicious.
All right, I'll have to pass on the burger now.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa! What the hell's that? Oh, it looks like a fort or something. Let's see. Come on.
Jane, keep up!
Okay, come on, Jane.
Jane, I need a Mento.
I haven't got it on me at the moment. I'll get it later.
Stop! You're whinging.
Right, so it seems like we found an uninhabited castle. So, we've just found this uninhabited garden and we don't know what's inside.
Jane! Get out of the shot!
Annoying! Seriously, we need to get rid of her.
Seriously.
I'll fire her and get a new one tomorrow, don't worry.
Dave, honestly.
Is that bad? This is
Right,
no.
so, we just found this garden. We
Yeah,
don't know
it's
what's
like
inside.
secret and it's a garden. It's like that
And
book
then-
I read.
Yeah.
I don't know the name.
There might be some food, so we're just gonna go have a look.
Come on.
You ready? Careful.
First glimpses. It's like paradise.
Wow, how unexpected. We never knew this would be here. So, here we are in the courtyard, and oh look! Is that, I think, what's... Hi guys!
Hi, and you're back again, and we're here at this amazing vegetable.
Yeah.
Let's get some
It's completely
food.
new. We don't
And
know.
there's no one here. So
No,
let's go.
absolutely no people here. Right. Ooh, look at the sweet peas here.
It all looks so tasty.
Okay.
We got a vicious one.
Get out! Get out! We have finally made it up to the top of this hill. It is so windy and we are so tired, completely isolated. Sea on all sides. There is no way off. All my friends, Cub, Bear and Jane, they are very tired.
I think we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Rabbit stew out.
It's about day 20 now, isn't it?
Yeah. And we've made a hut during this time. It took us about half an hour. If you have a look.
Pretty
we,
nice.
We tied it together using
Some homey touches on it.
using the rope made from Cub here and Jane's back hair and other hair as well. Then we're getting pretty desperate. Jane here has resorted to just bouncing a ball on the floor. She doesn't really have much else to do now. Poor old Jane.
Wait, is it recording?
So we're gonna
try and find a way out.
yeah.
Jane, get your ball.
God's sake, Jane. So we've been here for a number of days now, and we're gonna try and get back to the beach where we washed up here. I'm gonna try and look out for a signal, send a help sign.
Or make a kayak.
Exactly. But if this film doesn't get back to anyone,
I love you, Nan.
okay.
So there's quite an issue. Whoa! For God's sake, Jane! Oh my God! Come on.
Rabbit stew out. Here we are. We've made it down to the water's edge. We are in the water and we are ready to set sail in this kayak we made ourselves. Unfortunately, Bear hurt her finger. Let's get in. I'm a man. Right. Bye. Oh wait, it's Jane. Bye, Jane. Bye, Jane. Bye, Jane. I feel nauseous. What's going? I feel nauseous.
video.
Bear Grylls out.